Nature is bountiful, and one of its precious gifts is resin. The leading resin-producing countries in the world are Russia, France, Spain, United States, Portugal, Greece, China, and India. The hilly tracts of Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh, crowded with pine trees, are rich sources of resin. In Uttar Pradesh, the principal pine-growing regions are the districts of Nainital, Almora, Garhwal, and Uttarkashi. In these areas grows the tall cheer, a pine tree ideal for resin tapping. The cheer also abounds in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab. The basic substance of such products are rosin and turpentine. Resin is a gummy, glassy substance. It oozes out of a tree trunk, each semi-solid drop sparkling like a diamond. Locally known as lisa, resin is tapped by inserting a metal plate into a portion of a tree trunk denuded of its bark. Drop by drop, the precious liquid trickles down into the waiting earthen vases. It is an easy thing now to transfer the liquid into 4-gallon cans. From these depots, the resin is transported by road to nearby railheads, Khobdwar, Tanakpur, Rishikesh, and Kathgodam. At Kathgodam, for example, the transshipment into wagons is made easy with the help of chutes. Now everything is ready for the journey to far-flung factories across the country. One such factory is the Indian Turpentine and Rosin Company at Clutterbuckgunj, Bareilly. It is a government-owned plant established in 1919 and is the largest of its kind on the Indian subcontinent. At the factory, the resin drums are stored in closed chambers. Inside, they are heated by steam. The heat treatment softens the resin. To hasten the liquefying process, turpentine in the desired quantity is added to resin. The solution is then steam heated in closed smelters and constantly churned with giant wheels. The process results in the boiling of resin, Turpentine and water, which are vaporized, go to the condensers, and rosin is left over in the smelters. Further heat treatment for 5 minutes follows before rosin is transferred to box trolleys. Afterwards, it is strained through cotton pads and poured into wooden barrels. Back in the condensers, something is happening to the vaporized water and the turpentine. Lighter than water, the liquid turpentine floats on the surface and emerges as a separable quantity. The pure and clear turpentine oil is measured and filled in barrels. Here at the Bareilly factory, 2 varieties of oil are processed, the pure number 1 and the commercial. Of the rosin itself, 8 different kinds are produced. The more transparent it is, the better the rosin. Filled, sealed and marked according to quality, the barrels from the Bareilly factory are now dispatched to consumer centers like Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. Rosin is mainly used by paint, varnish, paper and soap industries. Turpentine is an essential ingredient in the making of boot polish and in the thinning of paints and varnishes. Thanks to resin products, paints with a uniform and shiny layer are manufactured. In the making of paper, rosin acts as a glazing agent. On rosin-treated paper, ink does not spread. So we have the glazed paper, such a taken-for-granted thing that we do not realize we owe it in large part to rosin. Versatility is the trademark of resin products. They glaze the walls, make the furniture shine, add a new dimension to modern living. Rosin and its products are increasingly in demand. In order to cater to this demand, production at the Bareilly factory is being considerably expanded. An expert committee appointed for this purpose has recommended doubling of production.
By the board of directors to examine the schemes, plans and estimates prepared by the general manager for the installation of the new plant. It may be mentioned that the existing plant was erected in 19...
Plans were drawn up for the installation of new machinery. A model of the shape of things to come. When the expansion project goes through in every detail, the factory will be in a position to meet both home and overseas demand. And work from the blueprint stage progressed smoothly and quickly. Even as production is going up, unceasing efforts are going on to discover new uses of rosin. At the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, systematic research is being carried out to improve resin tapping methods and rosin production. in the heart of the forests, to the echo of axe blows, against a background of Himalayan splendor, a rich source of wealth is being tapped.